Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on Ubuntu Linux operating system. Open a browser. First we will download the XAMPP 8.2, then we will install it. Go to Apache friends.org. Hit enter. See, XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment and it is a completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP and Perl. Okay. See here we have the XAMPP for Linux and its version is 8.2.12. Click on this XAMPP for Linux to download. Click on it. Go to this page. Wait 5 seconds, it will be downloaded. See, download has been started and its size is 153 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the XAMPP. ls. See here we have the XAMPP 8.2 installer run file. First we have to grant execute permissions. Sudo, otherwise we will be not able to install. So sudo chmod 755, then give the XAMPP file name. That is XAMPP run file. Hit enter. Now install it. Ctrl L, sudo, give // then give the XAMPP file name. That hit enter. Now click on forward. See, by default it has selected XAMPP core files and optionally we can select or unselect only this XAMPP developer files. So I want to install both, so keep this checkbox as it is and click on forward. See, this is the installation directory, so click on forward and ready to install, so click on forward. See, installation has been started. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. See, installation has been completed. Keep the checkbox, that is launch XAMPP control panel. If you don't want, you have to unselect this one. So keep the checkbox and click on finish. It will open the XAMPP control panel. Now go to manage servers. See here we have these 3 servers. See, Apache web server is already running. Now click on MySQL to start the MySQL database server. Click on it. Also, if you want to start ProFTPD, select it and click on start. See, all 3 services are running. To verify whether we have successfully installed or not, go to new tab, then give localhost, hit enter. See, if we got this XAMPP welcome page, which means we have successfully installed. And if you want to see the PHP information, just click on PHP info. See, this is the PHP version number and other information. Close it. Now click on PHP myadmin. See, these are the list of the databases. To create new database, we have to click on this new. Then provide the database name. After schools. And click on create. We have successfully created. See here. If you want to run queries, see, it has selected. Just click on query. See, the queries are going to run in this database. Okay. So to verify the version of the database that we have installed, just give select version and submit query. See, we have installed MariaDB 10.4. Okay. Now we will see how to create sample PHP script and execute. Okay. So go to terminal. Before going to that, ls we have successfully installed. So remove the XAMPP file. Now go to install XAMPP install directory, that is /opt XAMPP lamp, hit enter. ls. See here we have the htdocs. Go to htdocs, ls. See here we have the index.php. Even if we give localhost /index.php, we will get the same welcome screen. See, we got the same one. Okay, let us create a PHP file and execute. Sudo vi r2schools.php, press I to insert mode, then give the PHP tags. Echo, I am giving new line break. After each statement, we have to give the semicolon. Now we are going to add some of these two numbers. Now close the PHP tag. Now save the file. Now go to here, replace this dashboard with PHP file that we have created, PHP script that we have created. Hit enter. Something went wrong. So see, it is typo, not anything wrong. Just I forgot to give R. Hit enter. See, we got the output whatever we have given in this PHP script. To exit Q, control it. Okay. Suppose if you stop Apache Web Server, we will see what will happen. Go to control panel, select Apache Web Server, then click on stop. If we reload this page, we will get the unable to connect. See, we are unable to connect. So, to execute any PHP scripts, Apache Web Server must be up and running. So, click on start. Now, reload this page. See, we got the output. Suppose if you close this XAMPP control panel, let me close. I will show you where to go and how to open the control panel again. Go to the terminal again, go up. We are in OPT lamp directory. ls, we have to run this file, that is manager-linux x64.run file. So give the command sudo manager-linux x64.run. Hit enter. See, we got the same. Go to manage servers. See, all servers are running. Okay, close this one. Even if you close, this will work. See, if we reload, it is working. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. For more PHP and Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.